Some of my biggest heroes are some of the greatest thinkers and leaders of the world. So I'm thinking about Confucius, Socrates, Nelson Mandela. All of them agreed on one principle, which is to keep learning. Education as weapons of mass instruction. To be here today to honour all of these guys that have graduated and ourselves that have been welcomed back to this kind of education is a total honour and a joy. Well, honestly, that day in 1999 will remain a massive highlight because there was if you remember, there was a massive rush to finish the stadium on time. I spent most of the day in one of the tunnels with one of the male goats. It was Prince Charles's goats. I don't know why, but he was quite friendly. It was a great day. Shirley Bassey was here, Bryn Terfel was here, so that's a huge highlight. Today is a different kind of joy. I mean, how many years on is that? 23 years on. I'm here with David Iwan and Mawahid, still here, and meeting some of my fellow honorary fellows has been a highlight for me today. It's hard to give advice, isn't it? I'd say keep an open mind, keep learning, and try and learn to be able to converse with people who might not hold the same opinion as you, because if we can get on, that's what true progress is, and we have to get on.